Welcome to the Clinsoft Batch Management tutorial for facility instructors. In this video, we'll guide you through how to manage batches, students, and communicate effectively using the platform. First, log in to your Clinsoft dashboard. On the navigation bar, you'll find a tab labeled My Activities. Click on it to navigate to the My Activities page. On the My Activities page, go to the Placements tab. You will now see three sections: Active, Upcoming, and Completed. Active shows the placements currently in progress. Upcoming shows your future placements. Completed displays the placements you've already finished. You can check any tasks that need attention in the Pending Actions section. To review an active placement, go to the Active section and click on the name of the placement. This will take you to the Activity Batch page, where you can view the placement details, including the name, facility, start date, number of students, and total hours. In the Students tab, you can see a list of students, monitor their progress, and check pending or resubmitted assessments. To evaluate an assessment, click the Evaluate button. We've covered the evaluation process in another video, so please check that out. For communication, you can send a private message to an individual student by clicking the Private Message option next to their name. To send a message to the entire batch, including instructors and admins, use the Group Message option. The Student Docs section contains the prerequisite placement documents submitted by students. By clicking the Roster button, you can view the dates, hours, and the buddy assigned to a student for a particular task. Next, in the Educators tab, you can see the assigned educators. The Facility tab provides detailed information about the placement facility, including contact details. You can also view and download important documents provided by the facility here. In the Roster tab, you can view the dates, hours, and the buddy with whom each student completed their tasks. You can verify these details by clicking the Verify button. Sign in using your uploaded signature to complete the roster verification for a particular student. To import a roster, use the Import Roster option. If you need to import makeup days, use the Import Makeup Days option. Additionally, you can manually add makeup days by selecting Add Makeup Days. Click on the plus icon to add days. In the Placement Documents section, you'll find all the essential documents related to the placement provided by the Institute. You can view or download the documents from this section. Lastly, in the Risk Assessment section, you can create a new risk assessment by clicking the Complete Risk Assessment button, filling in the details, and then saving it. To view completed risk assessments from the facility or educators, refer to the table below. And that's it. This is how a facility instructor can effectively manage batches using Clinsoft. Thank you for watching and happy learning!